Everybody, anybody, I'm in Clyde, North Carolina, and they try to kill me, y'all. They try to kill me. I'm in Clyde, North Carolina.
So there was a truck driver, and he's a black man. He arrived about 45 minutes early to drop off his load at Two Banks Development, LLC, also known as TBD.
Clyde, North Carolina. Young black man is delivering mulch to a landfill dump spot. Okay, he gets there 45 minutes early, parks by the gate. Employee comes and says, normally everybody parks up the road and waits, doesn't come this far down. He said, I'm sorry, I've never been here before. The guy said, no big deal. I'm going to open the gate. Don't come in till 6:30. The owner of the place's son comes shortly after and goes, no, you shouldn't have been down here.
Dear white people, I need to tell you something. It's 2025 and black people do not shut up these days. They don't just say yes mom, yes sir, like back in the day. They speak out. Ladies and gentlemen, nothing pissed me on the internet as me seeing this video of a black man working so hard, being punctual, not to keep the stereotypes that they always say that black people don't want to work. Literally on the brink of losing his life because he was so good at his job. And as I show you some clips, I have a question. What is it that a black man is going to do in the United States of America to be safe?
We're gonna let this go unaccounted for? You think you can just be racist?
Let me tell you something. Every one of our drivers for our log trucks is black. If they had gone and experienced that, my husband would have been there. They'd have shut that job down and they'd have come found you boys. The 5 of y'all wouldn't know what hit you. I promise. How dare you? How dare you give a man trouble who's there to give you something you need? Do you know how early those drivers get up? I've got men that get up at 4 o'clock. 3. There used to be a man who passed away who used to get up at 2 o'clock in the morning and go sit in the woods so that they are the first truck, so that they can get unloaded, they can go get another load, they can get that unloaded, and they can go home. What was the point? What was the point? I can promise you, if one of my guys was in line and you were trying to make him get out of line, you're not only messing with him, you're messing with our job too. But you're fucking with him?
So there was a truck driver, and he's a black man. He arrived about 45 minutes early to drop off his load at Two Banks Development, LLC, also known as TBD Dump. And from the looks of the video, it looks like they basically dump mulch and other things, and that's what he had on his truck to unload. He gets there early, and basically an employee tells him he's in the wrong place at the wrong time and to go down the street. He gets down the street. Eventually, the owner's son gets there and tells him he has to get back in line. They have words. Eventually, it leads to the employee, also being the owner's son, claiming that his phone was stolen by this man. They go back and forth with words. He explains to the people that they can search the truck. They search the truck. They can't find the phone. He eventually goes to dump off his load, and while he's dumping his load, they come back. And they're back arguing with guns and with pew-pews. They had pew-pews this whole time. Every time they was arguing this, like about the phone and all that. And they come back, and he tries to pull away. They take 2 bulldozers and flips over this man's semi-truck while he was trying to drive away. And then they tried to be mad that he was recording the incident and just intimidating this man and talking about, you need to leave, you need to leave. Meanwhile, they had his truck tipped over in a landfill at that. So if they would have did something to this man, they could have easily covered it up and got away with it.
We have an update to this video, but probably an update a lot of you are not going to like. Y'all have been threatening people. Was it not obvious from my video that the TBD landfill is privately owned? Now, I'm not responsible for anybody else's video, but I really hope they made that clear in their videos as well. Haywood County, North Carolina government has been made aware of a video circulating on social media involving a mulch delivery to a location being referred to as the TBD landfill. This location is not owned or operated by Haywood County government, Haywood County Solid Waste Management, the Town of Clyde, or Haywood County Solid Waste Contractors, Consolidated Waste Services, and Republic Services. The site referred to as the TBD landfill is privately owned. Unfortunately, in response to this video, Haywood County Solid Waste Facilities, staff, and contractors have received threatening phone calls. We encourage the public to seek accurate information before responding to a situation. Please It is never acceptable to call and threaten somebody over a situation that they were not involved in. Just as it wasn't appropriate for these men to attack, threaten, harass, bully the driver in this video, it's not appropriate or acceptable for y'all to call up and harass city employees. When something like this happens, the most appropriate people to call are actually the police in the area that it happened in.
And tip his truck over on his side. That's not on video, but this other exchange is, and this is absolutely insane. That man had to believe he was about to record his own lynching. That was the energy that was there. That's what it felt like was going to happen. And the fact that he was able to walk away from that, he is exceptionally lucky. But that is unacceptable. He needs an attorney. This is Clyde, North Carolina again. That business, apparently it was the owner and his son that did all that stuff. This is insane. Anyone who can help, I'm going to tag him on TikTok. Please reach out to him. But this is unacceptable, and I want to hear what law enforcement in the area is going to do about it.
You saw my video I made about what happened to the truck driver at TBD dump site in Clyde, North Carolina. Here's a little update. I did see that the Black Panthers started marching for this situation. Man, it's about time, because they flipped this man's truck over with the bulldozer, y'all. Like, everything got on video. The guy slammed the door on the truck driver's dog. I mean, it's just crazy. And apparently Wright Brothers Construction, they have already made their little statement about whatever happened out there. But this right here, we're about to see a lot more of this going on, because the racism is still very, very, very much alive. And it's sad. This man was literally just trying to do his job. He got out there early. If you don't know what I'm talking about, there's a video on my page. You can go look it up. It's about the truck driver at TBD dump site in Clyde, North Carolina, y'all. The original content got taken down by the user. I think he was getting a lot of threats behind it, but we will not stop talking about it.
Hey, he gonna sue the shit out their ass. Hey, what's going on? This is crazy as fuck, man. What happened? I'm done. Close the fucking door. I'm done. He's trying to run you over. You ain't over there. What's going on? What's going on? What's happening?
You driving that truck?
Huh?
Go get in your truck and be a good witness.
No, I ain't driving that truck. I ain't driving that truck.
Phones up. Get in your vehicle. Now. You're leaving. You're gone.
What happened?
You're gone.
Going where?
You're going out.
Who?
You.
For what?
For videoing.
For videoing, I'm going out. What is you talking about?
I'm closing. I'm done.
Yeah.
No, I'm done with this shit.
So you want to tell me, being a black man who is punctual, when you love your job and you reach on time, your life could be in danger? Ladies and gentlemen, as you watch this video, I need y'all to tell me in the comment section, what is it that black people are going to do to put themselves out of danger? See, this black man is doing his job incredibly. You see, most people like saying that black people are lazy. They don't want to work. They don't do their jobs properly. But surprise, surprise, this black man, he is a delivery truck driver. He reaches the field early, 45 minutes early, and guess who is ready to take away his life? The white man on that field.